A Whirlpool front load washer can become locked and refuse to turn on due to a couple of reasons. One common issue is that the control lock feature is enabled. This safety feature is designed to prevent children from accessing the washer when no one is around. By locking all the washer functions. To resolve this issue, the control lock must be deactivated. This can be done by holding the lock button for 3 seconds. If this does not work, try turning off the power source for 1 minute and then turning it back on. Another possible reason for the washer being locked is that the delay start feature is active. This feature allows users to set a specific start time for the washer cycle. If it is enabled, the washer may appear locked and refuse to turn on. To fix this, check if the delay start feature is on and turn it off. Alternatively, the machine can be reset by turning the power off for a minute and then turning it back on. By trying these methods, it is possible to quickly fix a locked Whirlpool front load washer that will not turn on.